I'm Megan.
I'm Wendy.
And we're kicking off our countdown to Christmas with the 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar from Target. May I just say, first impression, we did this a couple of years ago. I'll link I think the first year Target did that Advent Calendar. The quality of this one, oh, okay. Well, the outer box is much nicer than the original. Now, when you open it and you see, this is basically the quality of the other one, but at least you get this kind of like sturdier, nice outer box.
I don't even remember what.
Not at all?
Where are the rest of the, oh, it's 12 days.
It's 12 days.
Like, where
are my other 12 days? All right, I just went in for number one because I couldn't help myself.
It's no secret, the items are on the back of the box.
Yes, and if you go to order one online, they're all listed right there. So this is the Maybelline Master Prime Primer Plus Base Hydrating and Smoothing Primer, and I love a primer, man.
Me too, primer plus base. What does that mean?
I think it says primer base.
What does that
primer, mean? I think it's
just a primer.
Yeah.
Number two, it's small, it's shaped like a rectangle. I don't know what it could be. Anything. Oh, all right, this is okay. I mean, it's not, I can't even get it. Okay, it's one of those raw sugar cube bath fizzers. This is pineapple and maquis. Say it for me. M-A-Q-U-I.
I don't know, Mackay berry, M-A-Q-U-I berry, I don't know.
Yes.
That's better than what I thought it was. I thought it was a pumice stone when you first opened it.
I need one of those, to be honest. But
I love the way raw sugar stuff smells.
You don't like their product?
I don't know. I do like their product. I'm saying it all smells good.
Yeah, it does all smell good.
And I like a bath fizzer.
Me too. This is okay. I mean, I think I would be happy with a full bag of these instead of just one. But
sure. That's not the game. Now this, come on.
I'm all.
Wendy doesn't like this, but I do. This is Argan Oil Dry Shampoo, and this is a good size, guys. This is one of those OGX brands.
I like OGX, I just don't like Argan Oil. I don't like the smell of it.
Oh, like, interesting. Yeah. I have never even noticed that it has a scent.
What?
But again, I love a dry shampoo.
Open that right now and smell it. We don't have anything burning around us, right?
Not close enough.
Okay.
I honestly can't smell it. Here, I just sprayed my hair.
Yeah, and then I'll just smell your hair. That's not creepy at all. Let me smell. No, I don't smell anything either. Maybe it's Moroccan oil that I don't like, but that's argan oil.
Oh, I just got the scent. This kind of has a perfumey scent.
Okay, whatever. Anyway.
This is scented. Anyway.
It's not I can smell it. It's nice. It's fresh. I just don't like Moroccan oil, I guess. All right, moving on. Number 4, Good Chemistry Magnolia Violet. This is a perfume sample. We all should know how Megan feels about these. She hates them.
I do, and
It smells nice though.
I have seen these. All right, I don't like those perfume samples with the stopper. If you're gonna give me a perfume sample, give me the mini spray because these are a mess.
Yeah.
Let's enrage the internet.
Yeah, hot tip, don't rub your wrists together. Thank you to all the internet people who have told us that. Dab it on and then let it live. I mean, I'm trying so hard not to put these together like this. You guys don't understand.
You know that when you put on perfume, normally you still dab, right? If you put on perfume at home and the internet's not watching, you dab.
And then go.
Yes, come on.
I kind of like it. I really do kind of like it. You can have the dry shampoo. I'm going to take the perfume.
Do it. Okay, item number 5 is the African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Body Scrub with tea tree oil. Again, a very generously sized product, 2 ounces. What does this smell like?
And a brand I like and know.
Yes. Oh, it smells good.
Let me smell.
I like a I've never used a charcoal body product, but it has tea tree oil. Not for, I've used a face product, but not on the body. But like sometimes I feel like my body could use like a deep cleaning, like the kind that
Did you see my notes about I wanted to do a blog post about
charcoal stuff?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's coming soon.
I didn't understand the quotation marks though.
Because you put coal in the stocking.
Ah!
Oh my God, people! This is a cure. That's how I would say it.
Yeah, I think
okay, I really enjoy this brand. It gets talked about a lot on a skin podcast. I listen to skin podcasts, like a beauty podcast I listen to. Anyway, I currently have a full size, not of this, but of a face scrub that I don't like so much because it's green and it smells like kale, but I'm excited about this.
Yeah, it's a night cream. What is
Oh,
that?
I don't know. Sorry. Yeah, night cream. It has
All
echinacea.
about the moisture.
And it's vegan, and it says it's a 0% questionable, which is kind of funny.
You guys, I have this and like it quite a bit, so you should take this because this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the color Precious Petals. This is a great highlighter. I like it a lot, would recommend it. You should keep this because I have it already, and you bought the box, you should keep it all. I don't know why I'm pretending like I get any of it, but it's a good one.
I'm very excited.
Yep.
Ooh!
This is good!
Wait.
Woo!
All right.
That was a lot of work for this product.
This is, well, people, okay, we're gonna do cut-ins, right?
But what is it? Is it a
I don't know, let's
lipstick?
see.
Is it a mascara? Oh, it's a lip. Is it a lip? Is it a mascara? Oh!
Did you just see me go like this?
I did. The Well People mascara we got in a Target beauty box a long time ago. And it's a great, clean mascara. It's a good one. Oh! Hold on. Is it angled? It is. This is an e.l.f. kabuki brush. Would you use this for powder, would you say?
Yeah. I would maybe just like
It's very soft.
use it as a dust off exercise.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. Like you're not putting blush on with that. What about baking? Like, would you wipe it off for baking or?
Yeah,
It's
it's
pretty
like
big.
a finishing powder, maybe,
Yeah.
but it has an angle. It's funny that it has an angle because it's not like it's like a giant,
Yeah.
but it's soft. It's nice.
I wish I had a stick with a handle.
Yeah, we're on 10.
Already.
I just said
So
the same
fun.
thing. It's getting so dark in here, isn't it?
It did get dark in here.
Okay,
I don't
what
know.
brand is this?
First,
I think it's e.l.f.
I wish it was like
packaged.
packaged because somebody touched this with their fingers and put it in the
Real
box.
Technique. So hey, that's good.
I love Real Techniques. So is this like a multi 3-in-1 type?
Miracle Sculpting Sponge.
Sculpt, I'm gonna guess.
Oh, guys, this is a substantial, like, glass container.
Of?
This is Vichy Lift Active Supreme, but it doesn't actually say what that is. That is a anti-wrinkle and firming corrective care.
That sounds like Wendy's written all over it. Oh! Dang! Bliss Fab Foaming 2-in-1 Cleanser with Exfoliator Bamboo Buffer Beads, I'm guessing.
Love Bliss. And the Bliss line at Target has a lot of faves.
Yeah.
For me.
Smell that. Do you like that?
I do. Nice. Guys, I am pleased. Are you pleased?
This is a great gift to give somebody because I think they're not going to be like, oh, what are all these weird Target brands? These are great brands in here.
They are great brands. I think they really stepped it up for $20.
Is that what we paid? Is it $19.99?
$19.99.
Okay, is this doing anything to me?
It is. It really is. It's a lot. You need to stop because you can't see it here. You need to go look in the mirror here.
That's cool pickup next. I don't know.
She's gonna walk in. Hold on. Let's see.
It's a lot. You need to. Hey, damn, it looks
It's good. It's a good highlight, isn't it?
Okay, I'll stop.
Look, you can see it now. It's picking it up. Guys, thank you so much for watching.
I'm joking.
This is one of 12 days of videos as we count down to Christmas. A new video every Monday through Thursday in December leading up to the holiday. And we're so excited. So leave us a comment, say hello, click the subscribe button, and we'll see you in another video very soon. Bye.